Production and operations management is part of the problem, but it's also part of the solution. POM is about creating effective and efficient processes that serve a market demand, sustainably. The term sustainable development was defined and popularized by the report Our Common Future by the Brundtland Commission in 1987. Sustainable development is the kind of development that meets the need of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Sustainability, as it is meant here, is also often referred to as the triple bottom line: profit, people, and planet. While companies have always focused on profit, the push towards sustainable development has eventually made shareholders and stakeholders of companies much more concerned about people and planet. In the year 2000, the United Nations Global Compact was launched. It is the world's largest voluntary initiative for corporate social responsibility. It is based on the voluntary commitments of CEOs who agree to align their strategies and operations with basic principles of human rights and sustainability. If you are working in a company or know somebody who does, now is a good time to ask if the CEO of that company has subscribed to the United Nations Global Compact initiative. More recently, in 2015, the United Nations launched the 17 development goals for creating a more sustainable world until 2030. The 17 goals are: Goal 1, no poverty; Goal 2, zero hunger; Goal 3, good health and well-being; Goal 4, quality education; Goal 5, gender equality; Goal 6, clean water and sanitation; Goal 7, affordable and clean energy; Goal 8, decent work and economic growth; Goal 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure; Goal 10, reduced inequality; Goal 11, sustainable cities and communities; Goal 12, responsible consumption and production; Goal 13, climate action; Goal 14, life below water; Goal 15, life on land; Goal 16, peace and justice and strong institutions; and Goal 17, partnerships to achieve the goals. While production and operations management knowledge can be used in support of all the 17 goals, POM is especially related to Goals 8, 9 and 12. With our knowledge, we can promote inclusive and sustainable economic growth, employment and decent work for all, which is Goal 8. We can also help achieve Goal 9, aiming to build resilient infrastructure, promote sustainable industrialization and foster innovation. And clearly, we should help to achieve Goal 12, ensuring sustainable consumption and production patterns. According to the United Nations, sustainable consumption and production is about doing more and better with less. Well, that sounds familiar. Right now, humankind is polluting water in rivers and lakes faster than nature can recycle and purify. An estimated 1/3 of all food produced goes to waste. And did you know that only 2% of all products that can be remanufactured are so? 2%. The amount of waste we are generating in society is disastrous. It's even dangerous. But there are of course lots of hope and opportunities. The ones who know something about POM have skills that can help create a better future. I challenge you to start a company that tackle Goals 8, 9 or 12. Or go out and influence a company that can. We must create better operations in industry and society.